Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week's video I'm doing a makeup tutorial and I am using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. A lot of my friends have come to me and say that they cannot work with bright colors or like pinks and reds. So that sort of inspired my video today. I wanted to use this. This palette is like very, they have a lot of pink and red shimmer and matte shades. And so that's why I wanted to do this look that I have on today. I used a lot of the pink and burgundy shades and some of the shimmer shades as well. So yeah, that's the look that I'm doing today. If you guys want to watch the video, then keep watching. Okay, I'm gonna start with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 25 Medium. I'm going to use this brush by Tarte just to blend out that concealer. So going into the Huda palette, I am going to take this white shade with this blending brush just to create like a base before I go on with the other shades. Now I'm gonna go in with this light pink matte shade and same blender brush, and don't want to grab too much product at a time because it is a pink color, so if you mess up it's kind of hard to fix, but just go little by little. Really take your time with it. And I'm just gonna put this like throughout the whole crease. But don't take it too far up because that might look a little silly. So just put it throughout the whole crease. Just take your time with it. Take a little, put it in the crease, take a little as you're gonna see me do it. So I'm using a really light hand as well. I'm actually also taking any excess that's left on my brush right under the lash, but I'm gonna focus it like on the outer part of it. Now I'm gonna take this like dark burgundy shade that's right under the pink one, which is also matte, and I'm gonna focus that like on the outer part of my lid. And try not to take it too much into the crease. I want this pink shade to really show in the crease. I'm gonna keep the burgundy just on the outer part of the lid. This is a dark shade, so just try to take your time with it just like you did with the pink one. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking a few taps, tapping off any excess, but also I'm like tapping it onto the lid. I'm not necessarily just blending it out too much. I'm tapping it and then I do a little bit of blending. I'm also going to take any excess of that darker shade underneath the last third of that under area. Now we're gonna go into the shimmer shades. In this palette, I really like this first one. It has a hint of like silver, but those like pink shades as well. It has a background of pink as well. But I don't think it's as pigmented as the other shimmer shades. I don't know why, but still good. So I'm actually gonna go in with one of the Stila glitters as well on top, and I'll show that to you later. I'm just gonna use my finger to spread that. I think it's the best way to use shimmers on your eyelids. It really gets it there, and it's also a lot more pigmented than if you're using a brush. I'm just putting it on the lid, but like right till the crease, not into the crease, but right up until the crease. And I'm not going to blend that out too much either because I like it like as a crisp line sort of. But that's totally preference. If you don't like that line or that definition between the shimmer and the matte, then you can totally blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna take that same blending brush and I'm just gonna blend out just really lightly with a really light hand between this outer dark burgundy shade and the shimmer, just so that it's not super, so it has more of an ombre effect. So I'm just gonna take this Stila glitter shade. It's in Peachy Sheen. The glitters they have like a sheen to it. They're not like, they're pigmented, but they don't have much of a background shade, if you know what I mean. So sheen is the right word, but I don't want to go in with the lid. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with this little detailed brush to grab some off the wand and put it on, because it's actually good to use your fingers too, but I just want to tap some on lightly because I don't want to put it all over the lid, because I don't want to get rid of the shade that I put from the Huda palette, the shimmer shade. So I'm just gonna take this brush. This is just by Kit. I think these are from like the drugstore. You can probably get them. They're actually pretty good. I think I used to use this for eyeliner. It's the Ultra Fine Eyeliner brush by Kit. I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner now, and this is the Maybelline Master Precise. Now I'm gonna go in with that same eyeliner and put it right just on my waterline. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna apply mascara last after my face makeup. Use this Skindinavia, I hope I'm saying it right, the makeup primer spray. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. The shade, this is the normal to oily, by the way. My shade is 310 Sun Beige. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer again, and I'm just gonna use it under my eyes and some highlighting points like the bridge of my nose, between my brows, my cupid's bow. Use this brush by Tarte that I used to blend out the concealer on my eyes. Now I'm gonna go and contour with this Hoola bronzer. Now I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl loose powder, and this one is translucent in medium. I'm gonna go in with this NYX brow gel with mascara, and I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. And I'm using this Tarte blush in Party. Go in with the Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. And now go in with my lip shades. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Lingerie in Exotic. Hey guys, that is it for the look. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below other videos that you want to see from me, whether it's makeup or fashion, and I'll make some good videos for you guys. Check out the description down below, and my social medias will be there if you want to follow me on that. And subscribe if you like my channel for more videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!